vacation. And if you want these kind of dreams, it's Californication.
La tempête, voilà, donc à l'abri, il pleut, des nuages.
It's the edge of the world in all of Western civilization. The sun may rise in the east, at least it's settled in a final location. It's understood that Hollywood sells Californication. Pay a surgeon very well to break the spell of aging. Celebrity skin, is this your chin or is that war you're waging? Firstborn unicorn, hardcore softcore. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Mary McGill, be my ferry to the world, be my very own constellation. A teenage bride with a baby inside, getting high on information. And buy me a star on the boulevard, it's Californication. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. In Cobain, can you hear the spheres singing songs off station to station? And Alderon's not far away, it's Californication. Born and raised by those that praise control of population. Everybody's been there and I don't need no vacation. Firstborn unicorn, hardcore softcore. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication.
Et j'espère que ça va être bon en attendant les alizés, mais pour l'instant c'est toujours
Destruction leads to a very rough road, but it also breeds creation. An earthquake's out to a girl's guitar, that's just another good vibration. And tidal waves couldn't save the world from Californication. Pay a surgeon very well to break the spell of aging. Sicker than the rest, there is no test, but this is what you're craving. Firstborn unicorn,
mardi, une journée de pétole, rien à dire. J'aurais aimé avoir du vent pour avancer plus vite. Mais bon, on va faire autrement. On se croirait en Méditerranée, au large de la Corse. Voilà, grand ciel bleu, mer bleue et pas de vent. Donc y a du moteur. Il me reste encore un peu de gasoil. Donc j'avance tout doucement. Voilà, à demain. Voilà, c'est pétole. Mais bon, je suis au moteur, mais je suis accompagné par deux sympas dauphins. Ils sont sympas.
She sees my good deeds and she kisses the wind. And I never worry, now that is a lie.
Je regarde de temps en temps, je jette un coup d'œil. Ils font les beaux.
I don't ever wanna feel like I did that day. Take me to the place I love.
Mais sans vent.
Take me all the way.
On est mercredi,
I
ça
don't ever
fait 7
wanna
jours. J'aimerais bien avoir un peu de vent pour aller dans la bonne direction maintenant.
Take me to the place I love.
Les fichiers météo
Take me all the
sont plutôt
way.
défaillants en ce moment. Plutôt dans une zone de bien. Voilà, salut les gars.
It's hard to believe there's nobody out there. It's
Les grands
hard to
bleus, c'est la grande
believe
famille.
that I'm all alone. At least I have her love to see that she loves me. Lonely as I am, together we cry. I don't ever wanna feel like I did that day. Take me to the place I love. Take me all the way. I
tout à fait, puisqu'hier j'en ai fait après.
Standing in line to see the show tonight and there's a light on.
Elle n'est toujours pas présente.
Heavy glow. By the way, I tried to say I'd be there. Waiting for Danny the girl is singing songs to me beneath the marquee. Overload. Stick knife. Cut chop. Conjure. Hookah. Skin that flick, she's such a little DJ. Get that quick, my streets burn on the freeway. Turn that chick to make a little leeway. Beat that nick, but not the way that we play. Dogtown. Bloodbath. Ribcage. Softail. Standing in line to see the show tonight and there's a light on. Heavy glow. By the way, I tried to say I'd be there. Waiting for blackjack, dope dick, pawn chop, quick pick. Kiss that dyke, I know you want the whole one. Not on strike, but I'm about to bow one. Bite that mic, I know you never stole one. Girls that like a story, so I told one. Salford, mainline, cashback, hot top. Standing in line to see the show tonight and there's a light on. Heavy glow. By the way, I tried to say I'd be there. Waiting for Danny the girl is singing songs to me beneath the marquee. Oversold. By the way, I tried to say I'd be there. Waiting for kissing in the mood, 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 kissing in the mood. Standing in line to see the show tonight and there's a light on. Heavy glow. By the way, I tried to say I'd be there. Waiting for Danny the girl is singing songs to me beneath the marquee. Oversold. By the way, I tried to say I know you from before. Standing in line to see the show tonight and there's a light on. Heavy glow. By the way, I tried to say I'd be there. Waiting for
Semaine de voile qui s'annonce. Donc là-bas, Céleste.
Sky tissue that I wish you saw. Sarcastic Mr. Know-It-All. I'll close your eyes and I'll kiss you, 'cause with the birds I'll share. With the birds I'll share this lonely view. And with the birds I'll share this lonely view. And push me up against the wall. Young tuck girl in a push-up bra. I'm falling all over myself to lift your heart in case you're here. 'Cause with the birds I share this lonely view. And with the birds I share this lonely view. And with the birds I share this lonely view. Blood loss in a bathroom stall. A southern girl with a skylit draw. A wave goodbye to Ma and Pa, 'cause with the birds I'll share. broken with a broken jaw. Step outside, but not to brawl. And all the sweet wind, call it fall. I'll make it to the moon if I have to crawl. And with the birds that share this lonely view. And with the birds that share this lonely view. And with the birds that share this lonely view. Close your eyes and I'll kiss you, cause with the birds I share, with the birds I share this lonely view. With the birds I share this lonely view. With the birds I share this lonely view.
Tu peux changer de drapeau, ou alors il faut que je change de pays peut-être. Voilà, c'est peut-être pour ça. Allez, continue ton petit tour.
She was a
vers l'ouest. Et j'ai passé la barre des 1000 milles, là il me reste 900 et quelques milles à faire. Ce qui est une bonne chose. Voilà. Il était à 15 nœuds, donc c'était de bon augure. Et là il redescend à 10 nœuds avec la chaleur. Ça va faire plaisir à François, hein, le fameux big boy corse, qui stabilise l'ensemble et qui fait avancer pas mal le bateau. Voilà. Donc ça sera un petit souvenir corse. Ski en speed. Voilà. On est toujours samedi 17 je crois. Voilà, on est le 22, 18h30 UTC, ça fait 2 heures que je suis planté. La pêche fut bonne ce matin, mais cet après-midi, c'est planté, chez planté. là-bas.
Psychic spies from China try to steal your mind's elation. Little girls from Sweden dream of silver screen quotation. And if you want these kind of dreams, it's Californication.
En espérant du vent demain, parce que j'en ai marre. Bon,
It's the edge of the world in all of Western civilization. The sun may rise in the east, at least it's settled in a final location. It's understood that Hollywood sells Californication. Hey, your Sergeant Barrow, while to break the spell of aging. Celebrity skin, is this your chin or is that war you're waging? Firstborn unicorn, hardcore, softcore. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication.
Voilà. Ça n'empêche pas qu'il se prenne à compte de temps en temps, mais au moins il ne fait pas de cocotier, il ne va pas tourner autour de l'été comme hier. Mais hier il y avait un peu moins de temps.
Mary McGill, be my ferry to the world, be my very own constellation. A teenage bride with a baby inside, getting high on information. And buy me a star on a boulevard, it's Californication.
Et comme on n'avançait pas très vite avec le Benoît Tambonnet, j'ai dormi.
Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement. In Cobain, can you hear the spheres singing songs off station to station? And Alderon's not far away, it's Californication.
Donc le soleil se lève à 19h, c'est spécial.
Born and raised by those that raise control of population. Everybody's been there and I don't need no vacation. Firstborn unicorn, hardcore, softcore. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication.
145 000 à faire. Si le vent reste comme ça, je vais mettre maintenant. Tout va bien. Voilà, jour de Noël, j'étais en train de manger mon repas de Noël, carottes, poules d'Espagne et de Venise. Voilà. Je sais pas si en même temps ça voit bien. En fait, ça tombe. J'ai jamais vu autant de Voilà. Ça marche pas mal. Entre 5 et 8 en fonction des surfs. C'est le pilote qui gère pour l'instant.
Destruction leads to a very rough road, but it also breeds creation. An earthquake